In this video, I am unboxing the Logitech Pro X Superlight mouse. So this is the first time that I'm ever unboxing a Superlight mouse or anything mouse-wise by Logitech, so I'm excited to get my first ever impressions. So straight away, inside the box, we have the mouse. This is it. Wow, it's like it says, it's super light. Wow, this is amazing. And then, is there anything else inside the box? Let's have a look. So we also have some other things inside the box. We are going straight into it. We're not messing around today. So we have this USB stick as well. So inside of there, that's really interesting. So that just comes out and there's the USB connector stick. That's really good. And it comes in this sort of dongle thing as well, which is really interesting. And that has this output of a micro USB, which is interesting. Okay, this is crazy light. Wow. And then also inside of here we have another thing. So we have this box and it comes with a cable, which would be like a charging cable. Is there anything else I'm missing? I'm not too sure, I don't think so. So inside we also have something else here. So we got a couple of other things. So we have this, which is like a circular thing. So I'm wondering where that goes. So at the bottom here, we have another circular pad. We have the actual mouse pad. We have the on and off. And then we have the actual button. On here, we have a couple of things. We have the scrolling. And then we got two side buttons there. We've got the Superlight symbol. This is incredibly light, very, very lightweight. We also have the padding there, which is really interesting. So let's have a feel. That's like really nice. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, so we can charge it maybe in two different ways. So I'm interested about this. Like, why there's a USB micro Type-C cable there? If anyone knows, please let me know. I'll read it on the instructions anyway. So I can actually customize this as well because we've got these pads as well, which is interesting. And then it comes with this Logitech sticker. And we have the instructions, we have the warranty information and something else there. Okay, let's have a look at the guide. Right, okay, so if I wanted to replace this, I could just press that down at the bottom and there's this thing that comes out. So the USB stick can actually fit in there at the bottom, and then I could actually change which circular thing that I'm using. So I could have the Logitech symbol and then I could press that down and then use this one again, which has more of a padding. Is there a difference in terms of like how it feels? So it's got two different magnets on there. So you just literally just press that at the bottom and then they'll come out, which is quite interesting. So let's have a feel, let's see. Okay, and let's see if it actually makes a difference between the two. I'm not sensing too much of a difference. Maybe. Let's try again. Not really. I kind of like this with the Logitech symbol though, so I guess it's more of a stylistic type of thing. So yeah, I like the black, that's really nice. So it's interesting that we have this, I guess that's kind of cool, how it just slide in there. That's quite a cool thing. I didn't know that about this mouse before buying it, so that's quite cool. So that's really good, and then you can just slot that in there, put that in, and now once you've got it wirelessly connected, that's it, that's all you have to do. So put everything back in the box that I like. So it's interesting because you got this USB cable as well, so why do we need the wireless cable? Maybe it's there for a reason. Right, okay. So it's saying step one that it wants me to actually connect this USB stick to this thing And then on the other side, it's saying actually connect this USB Type-C, this micro USB to USB to the computer to be able to connect it to it. So put those together, and now let's connect it to a laptop and connect it all up. So I'm still wondering what these pads do. Alright, so now let's connect it up. So it goes USB to this. Okay, so now let's turn on the mouse. Press it up, and now this light appears. Now it should hopefully work. Let's see, and it works straight away. Boom. Boom. So I'm interested on these side panels, like what do these do? So now that that's connected, can I just unselect this and then connect this via USB and that'll be it? Can I do that? Yep, and it will work straight away. So now it works pretty much straight away. Nothing more, nothing less to it, just works. That's it. I'm gonna figure out what these side panels do and let you know. Just one thing to note, so because we have this USB connection here, basically to charge the mouse, you actually connect it via that, and then you connect it via USB, so we could have wireless connectivity and we could have wired connectivity. So it's good that we have the choice. I'm really liking this, how it's super light as well. Okay, so I'm figuring out a function that these side panels do. So basically, if I'm on the internet, basically if I press this down one, basically it'll load and then it'll go down the page, I believe. There we go. So if I press the bottom one, it goes down the page, and then if I want to go back up, I basically just press this and then it goes back up to the top of the page. If it has any other uses, please let me know. But anyway, really good, really lightweight mouse, so I really like it so far. I like how you can have the scroll. We can actually use these stickers to customize a Logitech mouse. So basically we have these front two panels and they have this sort of matte black finish. So this is very smooth and these are more rugged. So I'll show you how to do it just on here, just for example. So basically just put that out and then I would just line that up like that. So they're quite easy to put on. Has this rubbery finish. This one and this one. So this one has the padding on it. So it has a more rubbery finish. And it feels quite nice on the fingers. This one's very smooth. So it's up to you whether you want to do each one. I kind of like this rubbery feel. It has a grip to it. It's kind of nice. That's how it looks with both of the pads on. And then we've also got these two bottom panels. So there's also this cloth here. So basically you just can clean these off with that. So it also comes with the side one. So that's with the side one now put on. So we got the two mouses, we got the side one. So that's with the other one on. Basically, I don't really like that the other one's taking over this super light sort of option. So I kind of like just having the two pads there and then one on the left hand side here, and then I'll leave the other one out in the open just because I like having that. But it definitely feels a lot nicer. I actually like that this one's here on my thumb. It feels really nice. So I definitely keep it for that one. Top two feel really nice too actually with the pads. So they're really good. It's a nice sort of little extra setup thing that you can do for your mouse. And for future, I can actually pop this back on this sticker board thing. Not really a sticker board, like sticker paper. Because they come off and they're still sticky, so they still have the adhesive, so that's really good. So overall, my thoughts and feelings are it's really good and I really like this. And we have the customization options of both these, the sides, and we have the two different buttons here, which is really good. We can also pop a USB stick right there as well. Really easy to connect. Connects to both Mac and Windows really easily. It's wired and wireless at the same time. Can charge quite easily. Overall, pretty damn good. It's really nice. Nice lightweight. I like it a lot. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to like and subscribe, it would be much appreciated. I'll see you guys next time.